Hi guys, it's Katie, and today's video is going to be how I plan or how I stay organized. And I consider myself a very organized person. I like to have a lot of agendas, to-do lists, post-it notes, kind of calendars going on. So I'm going to show you what I do. I have two physical calendars and then one calendar that I use on my phone and my computer. The first planner I have to show you is this monthly overview planner. It is for 2018. I bought this from my school store, so I'm not really sure who makes it, but I really like it because it's a good size, it's pretty thin, I keep this on my desk, and it's just a huge overview of what I have to do for a specific month. This planner is from Target. I got it for $10. It's a huge, detailed planner. I carry this around school, so it goes month by week, by day, by hour. So again, really detailed, and yeah. We're going to start out with the monthly planner, and when you first open it, the first two pages is a huge overview of 2018 and 2019. So it just overviews the months, and then it also overviews the holidays in each month. Half of the planner is just an overview of each month with lines to write some simple things down. The other half of the planner is just the dates of each month. Then on the right side of the page, there are 3 columns where you can mark whether what you wrote is a birthday, anniversary, or another event. This is where I put people's birthdays or special events. So instead of putting things like that in the first half, I just put it here. This planner is meant to be more detailed, so it has the overview of the month, then it has a section for monthly to do, to contact or to call, or to buy. After that, you can see how it goes by day and hour. I use these to write down assignments I have for my classes and their due dates, along with what I have to do for homework. I also keep track of meetings I have to attend, so I know where they are and when I have to be there. Besides from having physical planners, I usually use my calendar app on my phone, and it's synced to my computer. So instead of putting my homework here, I usually just put my midterms and my finals, or important school events. I pretty much put everything I have in my monthly planner into my electronic planner, so I can have it wherever I go, whether I'm on my laptop or my phone. Another thing I use to stay organized is the Reminders app on my phone. I use this all the time if there is something really quick I need to remember, such as taking a water bottle to an event or a reminder to charge my portable charger. So that's kind of a general overview of how I keep everything organized and how I kind of use all these different planners. I know to some people it might be kind of confusing to have a bunch of different things, but all my calendars and planners are pretty much synced to each other. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next week. Bye!